visited the site and there is say maybe some third force is instigating the crowd over there, I mean from the Khanduli side, from the Khasi villages. When they, as reported, and we have seen that they have attacked one person over there who was doing cultivations in an orchard and they have dismantled many plants and also other items over there. So during that tussle, one of our farmer, he was hurt and he is seriously injured, and we have already talked with the Deputy Commissioner West Kabi Anglong, and SP was he came over yesterday. SP was Gentia Hills. He came over yesterday, but the crowd got agitated, so he left early. But we are in constant touch, and even the DGP Meghalaya and DGP Assam, they are taking stock of the situations, and it has been categorically stated by everyone that we will not allow anybody to escalate the situations. Once the regional committee meets, that will be decided in that meeting only.
Most of the area, the Khasi people, they claim that this is their area, so
yeah, they claim, but it will be all decided in the regional committee only. Only after that we can have a proper solution for this issue.
What is the present?
PF, we have Assam battalion over there, and they are doing. They are extra vigilant in those areas.
So there will be no effect for the people living over there.
Oh, there no. We will take care of their safety and security.